Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ira Kusumawardani. On this video, I want give my opinion about one topics, that is death penalty. In recent times, a variety of media, both print and electronics, are heavily informed regarding the death penalty imposed on drug traffickers by the Indonesian government. This news based on information obtained from the Attorney General Prasetyo in Jakarta on Thursday, January 15, 2015. This implementation will be held in Nusa Kambangan, Cilacap, and Boyolali, Central Java. He also said that among the 6 people sentenced to death is one of them are Indonesian citizen named Rani Andriani. The execution was made after their appeal for clemency was rejected by President Joko Widodo on December 30, 2014. Execution have got the reaction pro and contra because this punishment reputed violate anyone right for life, um, especially especially for especially the Prime Minister of Australia, who fought to keep the President Jokowi change his decision. I think the president's decision to reject clemency by the convicted drug, that's right, because the drug can damage the mental and moral youth of Indonesia. So I'm very agree with the president's decision. I hope this could serve as an example for them who won't distribute drugs in Indonesia, that Indonesia's law very clear for combat drug trafficking syndicate. Uh, problem like this are very threatening and can damage the moral of our children, because according to some source, the target of drug traffickers nowadays most are children of elementary school to high school. Use it could damage of their health. How can they absorb the lessons given at school if their brain is already filled with chemical substances that are harmful? Uh, Drug use can also cause dependency. If someone have not money for buy it, he would commit a crime like stealing. Drug prevention efforts should become our responsibility, but the parents, teacher, and the other. Um, One way is to do education about the dangers of drugs, or sudden routinely conduct raids. Uh, the school also must conduct strict monitoring of the movement of their students. Moral and religion education must be further emphasized to the students. Parents also play an important role in the formation of character, guiding children to be careful in assert and should be good at choosing friends. Splashy Bikini Party student who graduated from high school in Jakarta was tiny splash after class. The voice of freedom after the national examination is drawn protest from many people. This case to make worrying many people because do not deserve anything like that done by academics like them. They are wrong interpret the meaning of graduation. They should prepare to continue their education to higher level again, or find a job to design a better future. I strongly disagree with this party, like very accentuate the impression of negative and useless. I think the party like this has no benefit at all. Because uh, in addition to the clothing must be worn seem inappropriate that a swimsuit. This is where it could become a means of prostitution. The organizer also provide liquor for the visitors. This is very damaging to moral of young Indonesian children. I think this is where parental guidance of rural government. Parents should be able to guide their children in internet because not all friends are good for him. Parents should introduce religious education of children. The role of government is also needed to combat rogue elements irresponsible like this, because they want to benefit from his efforts. To all people young of Indonesia, you should be able to take advantage of your youth as well as uh, possible in order to get a better future as well.